Hi, I'm Andrew Armstrong, welcome to the back office. If you do video, then you're going to need something like this, and this is a video light. Now, I think I did show you earlier a much larger LED video light I have, but I've recently purchased this one. This is a Godox LED video light, and it's a nice tiny little thing. It says it's the ideal lighting source for macro photography, photojournalistic and video shooting, etc. Multiple lamps quickly interlock to have different illumination solutions. It's a 64 LED battery powered light, and we're going to open that. But as you can see on the box here, it does support multiple hot shoes, so you can group them together and gang them together to make loads. It doesn't come with a filter, but I'll show you what it does come with. So the Godox video light comes in a very attractive box. This actually feels quite high-end than is typical for these products. It's called a Model LED 64. Nothing too useful apart from it has 64 LED bulbs, steplessly adjustable with a dimmer, 4 AA batteries or AC power, interlocking design for multi-lamp array, universal shoe mount, fits major brands of cameras and camcorders. So let's pop it open. Just to compare, by the way, this was my 168 LED video lamp. You can see the relative sizes in the boxes. This one, although was probably just as cheap, does come with optional lens filters and things. So this is quite nice, even though it doesn't feel quite as high-end in the production values of the box. So inside the box, you get your instruction booklet telling you how to put the batteries in, how to hook it all up. Some technical data, brilliant. Let's have a quick look. 4 AA batteries, 5 volts, less than 4.5 watts, 5500 to 6500 Kelvin, the colour. Brightness greater than 1000 lux at half a metre. LED quantity 64. Weight 130 grams. So unfortunately it doesn't tell you how many hours this will last, but just to give you an example, this 168 LED unit runs for up to 8 hours with 6 AAs. So this 64 LED model should run just as long, really. Okay, so that was the instruction book. Anything else in the box? Oh, there's another bit of paper here. Your Godox warranty card. I don't know why you'd bother trying to claim a warranty for something that costs less than £15, but you can. The warranty period for the circuit board is 12 months, battery 3 months, electrical parts, charger cables 12 months. So it's nice they're actually offering you a warranty from something from the Far East, so you might want to try that. Normal plastic case. Pop that out. There's the unit itself, silica gel and a QPC card. Very well made, very tough unit. It doesn't feel creaky or wobbly like certain cheap brands. The hot shoe is fixed on the bottom. Well, however, it's nice. Look, it has an actual threaded insert, so you can screw that straight into your tripod if you've got one, so you can have it sitting independently. Just trying to find a mini tripod here just to check that. Yep, that does fit. If I spin it the right way. There we go. That's cute. Oops. I've always wanted a light that could be mounted on a tripod like this, and it appears now I've got one. Wow, nice and bright there. And that's its minimum brightness. That's its maximum brightness, just to turn it around. And I'll just take this tripod off. We've seen what we need to see with that. I know the camera's going to be doing a lot of work now to try to compensate, but that's just an example of how bright it is. It's very bright. You can see through my hands there. Okay, so let's see what we've got on the back. So we've got a power on-off switch. We've got an adjustable brightness control, your 5-volt in, hot shoe, 3 passive hot shoes for attaching more lamps, or as I use it, attaching shotgun mics and other accessories. You can unlock the battery compartment, and as you can see I've already popped in 4 batteries. Godox LED 64. Very good. If you need a LED light, buy one. Just something of note. This on-off switch is really handy because I've got one where the on-off switch is incorporated in the brightness control. However, if you've got it here, you can set it to your desired brightness, and then you've always got it to hand, rather than having to mark with Tipp-Ex or pen your preset. So this is actually quite good. Check them out. Thanks for watching.